and welcome again to Fitness Tech Dad. I thought it might be fun to look at some of the things that happened 100 years ago this month. One of the highlights, especially for those of you doing dry January like me, is that prohibition started in the United States in January 1920. In fact, on this day, January the 16th. It had been ratified 1 year before in 1919, with Section 1 stating that after 1 year from the ratification of this article, the manufacture, sale, or transportation of intoxicating liquors within, or the importation therefore into, or the expiration therefore from the United States, and all the territories subject to the jurisdiction thereof for beverage purposes is hereby prohibited. On January the 10th, the Treaty of Versailles went into effect, as Germany and 14 of the 17 Allied powers exchanged instruments of ratification, therefore bringing a formal end to World War I. And on the science side, the Smithsonian Institute announced that in Washington, D.C., a multiple-charge, high-efficiency rocket had been invented by Clark College professor Robert H. Goddard. The Smithsonian press release stated that there lies in the possibility of sending recording apparatus to moderate and extreme altitudes, noting that the highest altitude of a balloon was 19 miles or 31 kilometers, and added that weather forecasting would undoubtedly be improved if daily observations could be taken in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that a craft could actually one day reach the moon. 2 days later, the New York Times published an editorial that ridiculed this claim. They wrote, "After the rocket quits our air and really starts on its longer journey, its flight would neither be accelerated nor maintained by the explosion of the charges it then might have left. To claim that it would be is to deny a fundamental law of dynamics, which only Dr. Einstein and his chosen dozens so few and fit are licensed to do." Well, they certainly had egg on their faces some 49 years later. On the 17th of July, 1969, they finally rescinded the claim with the following statement. "It is now definitely established that a rocket can function in a vacuum as in the atmosphere. The Times regrets the error."